Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Aziawati binti Ahmad Azizi. I'm a lecturer from Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah. Here I would like to present my research title, User Acceptance Towards Short Apps, Shorthand for Beginners, a Mobile Application. Please find the outlines for this presentation. Started with introduction, followed by problem statement and objectives, literature review, methodology, finding, and lastly discussion and conclusion. The basic idea of the product were because of these features. Number one, mobile phones are widely used globally at all ages. Number two, innovation in learning field help students to access learning resources and online access at any time and anywhere. Number three is increase better understanding of mobile apps into classroom and for virtual learning. And number four is a fun way of learning and teaching. There are many reasons of developing the application, but these two are significant to kickstart our project. First, there is no learning application of shorthand course. In addition, the materials and references used in the course outlines are restricted to traditional method, which use notes from the book. Second, most of the students show less motivation and fun in learning shorthand just by using conventional method, which is just by books. The objectives of our research is to identify the usability of short apps, shorthand for beginners in shorthand course, and to identify the student motivation towards using the short apps application. Moving forward into literature review, during our research, we found many evidence and ideas that support our views on the shorthand apps, specifically based on mobile apps, mobile learning, and mobile user. According to Ma'arishidul, Ma'rofiko, and Tahidul Arafin, 2010, mobile application is a program that is loaded into mobile devices and can be used anytime and anywhere. Meanwhile, Alif Nawi, 2014, said, the use of mobile learning can increase motivation among students due to its construction has creative and innovative value. However, I would like to bring our attention to Radicati report, where I believe placed the important factor on the research, where according to their report dated January 2020, Mobile Statistic Report 2020 until 2024, the number of mobile users is expected to exceed 6.9 billion into 2020 and grow to over 7.4 billion by year-end 2024. This projection is written on the fact of the internet has become necessary and no longer just necessity, and the smartphone itself is getting cheaper and affordable. There are three different methods to garner the information on this research, consists of sampling, design and development, and the instrument. The samples taken as follows were 368 students from Diploma in Secretarial Science, Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah that completed shorthand course in semester 1 and 2. And this research referring to sample size from Critchie and Morgan, whereby from this 368 population, 186 samples were received and validated. Next is the criteria of design and development, and it's divided into 5 different phases, starting with the developer application itself called Android Studio, and then we build a prototype where we ask the students to download and test it. The application begins with homepage, which listed content as introduction, theory, exercise, audio, and tutorial. On theory part consists of strokes, vowels, and etc. Meanwhile, for audio section, students can select recorded audio to practice, taking dictation, as well as suggested link to YouTube for their self-learning. For the instrument we use to collect data is we do an online survey using Google Form, and each questionnaire valued by open-ended statement on a 5-point Likert scale, with 1 being strongly disagree and 5 being strongly agree. Furthermore, the data collection is based on students from December 2018 session that has completed shorthand course. Lastly, the age and class of the subjects are taken as demographic values on the research. Now we go through the finding of this research. Table 1 and Table 2 show age and class of students participate as respondent in this study. Table 3 show 100% of students have a smartphone, while Table 4 show majority of the student using smartphone on e-learning purpose. Table 5 referring to perceived of usefulness, and the results shown that students agree that the application provides helpful guidance in performing tasks. Next, in Table 6, perceived of use, students agree that using mobile application can save times due to its mobility. In Table 7, refer to compatibility of the application. The highest result shown that mobile application is compatible with user smartphones and tablets. The highest reading on Table 8, using attention, proved the students are ready to use the shorthand application. In Table 9, there are similar results. In item 21 and 22 scored the highest rating. This shows that the students are interested and willing to use this mobile application as an additional reference to learn shorthand. Based on the findings, the study found that respondents were satisfied with the application developed. This indicates that there is a positive potential among students to use mobile applications in shorthand course. With mobile applications, students able to fulfill the assessment given by lecturers without relying on books, save time since it's reachable on the go using smartphone, and mobile application provides quick information to users to get quick notes regarding shorthand notes and can be easy access anywhere. From the student motivation towards using the short apps, the results of this study found that users will be more motivated when the application used can give them satisfaction through an attractive, simple, and creative display. And the continuous usage of the application improves students' understanding and interest towards shorthands. To conclude, it is a successful project of the user acceptance towards short apps, shorthand for beginners, a mobile application. The research provides evidence that mobile learning of shorthand is suitable to be implemented in tertiary education environment. As we walk through the Industrial Revolution 4.0, lecturers' initiative to provide the most advanced teaching method should be credited, and student effort to in line with educator mission and vision with the learning material provided should be praised. It always took two to tango, and further research to see the effectiveness of this mobile application in learning shorthand course are advisable in the future. Here are the references that we use for this research. Thank you for your time and have a nice day ahead.